Grand Theft Auto 5 is now fully playable on Mac. And the best part? It's completely local, with no cloud gaming required, and it's absolutely free. Plus, you get an experience with absolutely no lag. All you need are 3 components: crossover, parallels, and your game files. Now, to get the game running, we'll use crossover. But before that, we need to extract the game files. For that, we will use parallels. As you can see, the game isn't extracted yet. So, the first step is to open Safari and download Windows 11. Just follow my lead, go here, I'll scroll down the page. Make sure you are downloading the correct version for your MacBook. Select this Windows 11 disk image. Click on this download option. Then, press download now. I'll be selecting English for the language. Ensure it says Windows 11 64 English, and then click download now. As you can see, the download has started. It's roughly 8 GB, so we'll give it some time to finish. Now, we just wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, you will see the Windows 11 file in your downloads folder. Now we need the application to run it. Go back to Safari and search for Parallels. As you can see, it's available for a free trial. You can try for free or buy it now. It offers a 14-day free trial. I will use a new email address since I've already used my 14-day trial. I'll press the download button. If your download doesn't start automatically, click here or wait a moment. It's only about 5 MB. Double tap the file to open it, and then double tap again to begin the installation. Let's wait for the download to finish. Make sure your terminal window is still running to keep the system active. I will use my fingerprint to authenticate. You can use your password. Just wait a few seconds for the installation to proceed. Now we are inside Parallels. Since we already downloaded Windows 11 earlier, you need to select other options. Choose Install Windows from an image file and press Continue. Your Mac will automatically detect the Windows 11 file we just downloaded. As you can see, it's the same file. Press Continue. Ensure Windows 11 Pro is selected. Since we are only using Parallels to extract the game, choose the Games Only option. Uncheck this option and click Continue. Now, let's check the settings. Go to Hardware and make sure this is set to automatic. This is a very important step. Click Continue. Here, you can either enter your Parallels license key or start your free trial. This process might take a few minutes. Just bear with me. And now we are ready to proceed. We are at the start with this screen. Click Continue Trial, and here we are. Now we need our GTA 5 files. To free your mouse from the virtual machine, press Ctrl+Option so you can go back to your Mac. Minimize the Parallels window. If you click back into the Windows environment, remember you can press Ctrl+Option again to escape the mouse. Go to your Mac's downloads, find your GTA 5 folder, drag it, and move it into your Windows environment. Now wait for the transfer to complete. We now have our file here. The next step is to turn off your antivirus. This is a very, very important step. Go to the settings, find the antivirus, and turn it off. You can turn it back on again after our extraction is complete. Now go to your file. Before starting, we need to check that our files are all good and not corrupted. Press this and wait for the verification to finish. Once it's done, we are ready to extract. Follow my steps carefully here to avoid any errors. Click Yes. This part is very important. If you are using, for example, 8 GB of RAM, you need to limit the installer. Whatever your RAM size, always limit the installer. Click Next. Next again. Make sure it's set to install on the C, drive, and that you have enough free space to avoid errors at the end. Then click Next. Here, uncheck this option. If you encounter any errors, please let me know in the comments and I will help you fix them. Now this might take about 2 to 3 hours. Make sure your Mac is plugged into the charger. Keep an eye on the progress. The elapsed time should be moving, which means the extraction is working great. You can go back to your Mac. Check if the terminal is still on. This is very important to not interrupt the extraction process. Now, my extraction is done. It took 2 hours and 50 minutes. Uncheck all of these options and click Finish. This is a normal process. Just wait for it to finish. Once it's done, all files are good. We need to copy our GTA 5 folder back to our Mac as we will run it on Crossover. But for now, we need to shut down Windows. Follow my steps so we can share our Mac files into Parallels. Select both options and press OK. Go to Local Disk C, then Games. This is our extracted game. You can cut or copy it, go to your Mac's home directory, into Downloads, and paste it. For me, I don't have enough space, so I will free up some space and be right back. I've now copied the entire game to my Mac. You can check, it's in my Downloads folder. Everything is done. To free up some space, I'll show you how. Shut down Parallels, we don't need it anymore. Go back to Parallels without turning it on. Click on File, then free up disk space, and then click Reclaim. Now I will get my 70 GB back. Once you're done, close everything. Now for our final step, we need Crossover. Since our download is ready, we need an app to run it on Mac. Go to Safari and search for Crossover. Click on the second link, Code Weavers, then click Buy Now. Here you can see we have our 14-day free trial. Enter a different name and email address to get the free trial. Press Download Trial Now. Let's wait for it to download. Once it's done, click on it. Double tap and follow my steps. I now have my 14-day free trial. Now we are inside Crossover. As you can see, we have our apps. We can add more, like Epic Games or Steam. If you have saved files like I do, press this and follow my steps. First, we need to name our bottle. Press Done. Now we need to provide the installer. Before pressing Install, follow this final step. Go to Advanced. Click the plus sign and type this. Scroll down until you see the latest version. Click Add. Make sure both are added, then click Done. Now you are ready to click Install. Check if anything is behind Crossover if it looks stuck. Click I agree and then Install. If another window pops up, close it. Once it's done, don't let the game run. Please turn it off. If you can't turn it off, press Command plus Tab, choose any app, and then quit it. Now we are inside our bottle. Let's fix our settings. Since I'm using a MacBook Pro M3, I will use these settings. Turn MSync on. For high resolution mode, my Mac handles it well. Later, if you find your game lagging, come back here and turn it off. Now, click Run Command. Choose your game again and click Open. Then press this so you don't have to follow these steps again. As you can see, the game is now added. Click Run. And now our game is running. This initial screen is totally normal. We will change the graphics from the side of it so we can maximize our screen. Press Escape, go to Settings, and search for the graphics options. Now change your screen type until it fits your screen perfectly. Apply the changes. It still needs some fixing, and now it's better. Check my settings and keep them like this so your game runs smoothly. Everybody pay attention. As you can see, the game runs amazingly. How amazing is this? As you know, the mouse is showing like me inside the screen. If you encounter this, simply go to another app and then come back here to fix it, with absolutely zero lag. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you encountered any issues. Thank you guys, see you again, take me a magic.